This is a steering column cover for a 1994 Toyota 4Runner. And as you can see, it's taken a little bit of beating throughout its life, and it's seen better days. When I got this, all of the plastic on these bolt holes here that allow this to attach to the underside of the steering column were all broken out, and a lot of the threads internally here were all stripped out as well. And you probably have noticed the white plastic and epoxy jobs in here. What I did is I measured the stubs of what was left over, and I figured out how tall they needed to be and what threads may or may not need to be in there. And we designed some repair pegs that would fit very snugly into the original parts that were left over. Were epoxied in place to remain firm, and we were able to make this work. This little cap here was very nice here. We made a couple of different versions of this, where this was cut at different angles along the bottom to accommodate the slope on the inside. And you know, with a little bit of epoxy, it worked out really well. We're able to fill in, plug this over the top, fill in the base with epoxy, and this mounts up very nicely into the truck. Everything is solid. We'll have some more updates on the truck after I get my daughter's 01 Highlander fixed. It is needing a couple of oxygen sensors and some sway bar links and a couple other little things to get it truly roadworthy. So hopefully we'll see the 4Runner here pretty quickly.